What's up? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for checking out my channel. It's your boy DJ Hef, also Earl from 31BT Media. And for the last month and some change, I've been using some new equipment. It's called the Smallrig wireless 2-in-1 bracket. Do you know what it is? Do you know what this little thing is and what this little thing can do? You know what? Hang tight. Let's find out. Thank you for checking me out. Thank you for staying tuned. Okay, I purchased this equipment back in November. It was just released and I was on the waiting list, so it took a while for it to get here. And it got here in December, so I've been using it for about a month or so, and I really like it. Actually, I'm gonna show you right now how I'm using it while I'm doing this video because I liked it so much I bought a second one. So look at it right now while it's on my camera. But the reason I bought it is because I like to use two microphones just in case one mic drops out or has audio issues. At least I have extra coverage. So that's why I bought the second one, because I have two cameras. But you know, if you really look at it, it has an output and it has two inputs. Now you're probably saying, why use this and spend the money for it instead of getting an adapter or a splitter? I used splitters in the past and I like them, but I actually like this because this actually allows me to mount it on the camera. Now the one thing I don't like about it is that it should have another mount on the top, so you could actually put like a monitor or something else that you want to mount on the top. But other than that, I really love this piece of equipment. That's why I bought a second one. So now I'm going to show you my unboxing in my studio. So check this out. Okay, so this is unboxing. I just cut the tape, I open the box, and inside it has two 3.5mm cables and also the Smallrig 2-in-1 wireless bracket on a cold shoe mount. And that is what's inside the box. Okay, that was the unboxing in my studio. Now I'm going to show you how I mount it on my camera. So I'm going to also do it in my studio, so check it out. And this is how I mount it on my camera. The first thing I do is I attach the cold shoe mount, and then I put the two wireless receivers, the photo welt and the Rode on both sides of the cold shoe mount. And then I'm going to attach the 3.5mm cables to both wireless receivers and then also into the Smallrig 2-in-1 wireless bracket. So then after that, I flip the camera around and I attach the 3.5mm to the output, and I attach that output to the camera. And that is how I mount the Smallrig 2-in-1 wireless to my camera. All right, so that was the unboxing and also how I mount the Smallrig on my camera. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, remember, like all my other videos, I will link everything that I use below, from this camera to that camera to the lights to both lenses to the microphone that I'm using, and I'm using the Rode wireless today. Also, my shirt, everything, the picture in the back. I will link everything below. But remember to like, share, subscribe, and follow. Till next time. Peace.